Halloween is going to be celebrated again soon. Even in Japan. Here we are in a Tully's coffee shop, which is a coffee shop chain based in Seattle. We will get a Halloween-inspired product. You can also order meals here like sandwiches, pasta and even salads. This is a pesto pasta with a side salad. The best-selling product this season is the Halloween Pumpkin Cream Latte. Let's have a look at the coffee. The cream is very thick and pumpkin-flavored. It is very sweet, so you don't need extra sugar to sweeten the coffee. It is more delicious than the Starbucks Halloween spiced pumpkin coffee. You can clearly taste the pumpkin flavor. This product is worth a try if you are living in the States or visit Japan. Thanks for watching.